Hey there, Clerk team. My name is Paul, or Pineapple Paul on Discord, and I'm recording this video to hopefully help the team zero in on some of the newer integration contours with Clerk, Next.js 13, and existing technologies. The Clerk debug error bringing the developer community together right now is the UAT missing error from the request being interstitial, indicating that Clerk-related headers are not present or cannot be set. This happens even on public routes that are statically defined, even without a URL param, and I would love to hop right into reproducing the error here for you folks live in a replay recording. Thanks for the suggestion, Roy. In this demonstration, we will be taking a look at the builder.io integration with Next.js specifically, as it shows an interesting dance with Next.js by allowing users to preview their localhost in an iframe on their platform. And that's probably a key point to keep in mind, that this is all localhost, all local development for this demo right here. Diving right in, we're going to head over to the builder.io console, and we can see that the preview URL is currently set to HTTP localhost port 3000. Next, I'm going to head over to the terminal and start the Next.js application, and go to the code now and point our attention to the middleware.ts file and sort of the source directory that we're all familiar with. As you can see, here we have a public route defined for the fresh install at builder/demo. Alright, back in Builder, I'm going to smash this record button so that we can capture all the requests going in and out. And I'm going to click on this preview page, which as you can see is mapped to builder/demo as defined in the public route. When I click on this, however, the preview is not going to load, and instead the Builder application is going to get a bunch of 401 requests sending to the local host in that iframe. Let's check it out. Loading, and you can already see right over here in my terminal, some stuff is going crazy. So yeah, it can't connect to our site on localhost 3000 builder demo, even if we refresh, which it is already doing many times per second. So I'm going to click stop up here before we overrun the stack size, and we can go over in the terminal and see what it's spitting out. We do have debug console logging, and surely enough, we have authenticate request state is interstitial with the UAT missing error. And I'm just going to rename this first recording Builder Clerk Broken. Now, just to demonstrate that the Builder.io integration is successfully wired up with Next.js, I'm going to hop into the code and remove the Clerk related things so that we can just ensure that everything should work as usual. To simulate bypassing Clerk without nuking all of our current implementation, I'm simply going to add an ignored route here to the auth middleware so that Clerk does not run. And then I'm going to go into the app route layout and remove the Clerk provider and this header component, as it has the Clerk sign in and sign out components. Okay, great. We're all cleaned up. Let's head back into Builder. I'm going to smash this record button so that we can capture all the activity. And I'm going to once again click on the /builder demo page and just test that everything loads up correctly. Here we go. It's taking a sec, but there we go. We have the Builder demo page loaded, and we are connecting successfully to localhost port 3000. Just for sake of completeness, I'm going to rename this Builder plus Clerk working demo. Great. If it's of any additional use, I took some of these headers in the console and made them into a JSON string in the Discord thread so that we can reason about what's being sent over a bit easier, but I'm sure the replay recording has pretty much everything. In any case, I hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you want me to go over any more things in a video format. Thanks, guys.